Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first big update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bigger bounce, keep an eye on $1.58. But really, even before you put any focus on $1.58, the first key level to watch from the resistance side of things, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, is right there at $1.40. So $1.40 key level number one to break from the resistance standpoint. And then at that point, like I said, it makes a little bit more sense to get up there and start to talk about that $1.58 mark. And then also continue to watch the purple line up there, the 50 period moving average. But as of right now, that level's probably not even worth talking about at all because the price first needs to get above those two initial levels of resistance. From the support side of things, nothing fancy here, nothing complicated at all other than the fact of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding finally did stop right there around the $1.28 mark. So for that reason and that reason alone, that'll be the key level of support. If I squeeze things down here, you'll see that the price is at all-time lows right now. So if the price were to go down to that level and then break through there, at that point, it's a situation where, you know, your best friend's going to be your gut instincts and then the level twos to watch to try to gauge where the next levels of support may be at. But as of right now, yeah, not the greatest way to start off the week. But good news is only Monday, so still there's 4 days left to see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. So we'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.